Google Forms is a powerful little freeware program that can really help you do a lot of the things that you're already doing at school. Let me show you one thing that we're going to be doing with Google Forms this year. This is our Spring Valley Walkthrough Observation Form. I'm sure every school has one. We have taken a paper document and put it onto Google Forms, and we'll be using this for all of our walkthroughs this year. The advantages to this are numerous. You can use this form from any device, from a Chromebook, from a laptop, from a tablet, even from your cell phone. I'll show you how it works. In this example, I'm just going to select myself from this pull-down list of teachers. You can just type on the form. I've already filled out a lot of the form so that you don't have to watch me type it. But down here at the bottom, and hit submit. Now, Google Forms are nothing but a pretty face on a spreadsheet. So what this does is it puts all of this data in one location, and everyone on your admin team can have access to view this and use this, and you can see how useful this might be after you had hundreds and hundreds of walkthrough observations over the course of the year. You could sort this data on any variable, like on a teacher, for example, and you might find that she's been observed 6 or 8 times over the course of the year, and everyone has remarked about what a great job she's doing. That might be someone you might want to single out for some praise. You also might find, for example, if you had 500 observations at your school over the course of the year and no one ever really marked the teachers very highly on how they were using technology, that might inform some staff development for you for the upcoming school year. So using Google Forms in this way is a really great use of the technology and makes traditional walkthrough observations even easier and better and more useful. And a nice little thing too that you can do with this particular form is when I hit that submit button, the teacher, in this case me, got this email right here. So before I ever left the classroom, sitting in the back of the class, when I hit the submit button, he or she had already received a copy of the walkthrough observation. So that is just one of many uses for Google Forms. If you're interested in learning more about Google Forms and how they can be used administratively at your school, please sign up for the class.